Update on the tank. My 10 gallon. I got a picture. Ornate. Finally. I've been looking for one forever. And I just decided to get it because I took the Oscar out. There's my Pleco back there. My blue African cichlid. There's my little convict that I just got yesterday. And then, I don't think you can see him, but my Jack Dempsey's back there. Yep, just got Jack Dempsey. And yeah, I'll show you guys my 55 gallon tank in a minute. After I feed these guys. But alright, let me know what you think about the new fish. Look at him. He's little right now, when he's grows up, he's gonna be a beast.